Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Meson.Network token. Ticker symbol is MSN. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting April 29th. We're going to go over the information on the Meson.Network token and how you can get it. We'll go over a couple different ways how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token was just announced on Gates Twitter at Gate_IO that this token will be listed April 29th. It doesn't give an exact trading time yet. It just says to be announced. But April 29th, this token will be listed on Gate. So that is one way you could get it. Now, I went over to their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at Network Meson. 474 tweets, blue verified check mark. They have 408,500 Twitter followers. Very popular project here. And in their recent tweet from 8 hours ago, they say that this token is going to be listed on Gate, like I just said, OKX, Hashkey Global, BitGet, and KuCoin. So you got lots of different options. So you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or BitGet or KuCoin, etc. Any of these new listings that they're posting on their Twitter. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on April 29th, go into the trade section, search ticker symbol MSN, and then buy the token. It is that easy. So they have Medium articles at medium.com/Meson-Network. Their webpage is at Meson-.network. And their document section is at docs.meson.network. So those are basically all the main links where you're going to find all the info. So what is this project all about? Well, Meson.Network is revolutionizing Web3 by establishing a streamlined bandwidth marketplace through a blockchain protocol, replacing antiquated labor-based sales models. Our innovative approach consolidates and monetizes idle bandwidth from long-tail users at an unprecedented low cost, serving as the cornerstone for decentralized storage, computation, and the burgeoning Web3 dApp ecosystem. Our vision extends beyond the present, aiming to forge the world's largest bandwidth marketplace. Meson envisions a future where users effortlessly exchange their surplus bandwidth for tokens, while those in need can access bandwidth globally with Meson's marketplace. Unlike conventional sales models, Meson rejects the top-down approach favored by existing cloud vendors. Instead, we champion an open bandwidth exchange, providing an alternative to address the evolving demands of the dispersed long-tail market. Traditional sales models, effective in the past, struggle with the growing fragmentation of demand in the long-tail market. Meson.Network responds with an alternative, a bottom-up integration of resources. Users can seamlessly contribute or access resources in our marketplace, following standardized protocols, eliminating the need for human intermediaries. This groundbreaking model minimizes human interactions and scales through free market mechanisms. In contrast to the traditional human-centric sales model, Meson's protocol model offers flexibility and scalability without defining rigid roles. Whether it's a casual user connecting their Starlink network or numerous developers linking diverse telecoms globally, Meson accommodates diverse contributions. Looking ahead, Meson aspires to encompass resources from major cloud vendors like Amazon and Google, envisioning a future where our marketplace extends its reach, all driven by a dedicated team of less than 100 individuals. Join Meson.Network in reshaping the future of decentralized connectivity. Now they have tokenomics. It says MSN is the incentive and governance token. It has 4 primary functions: for rewarding miners, for staking by miners, as payments by users, protocol governance. The tokens are distributed to network terminals as rewards for providing server resources. Currently, there are no benefits for staking the tokens, as the functions of transfer for Meson test tokens on Ethereum are locked. Users of these services will pay in MSN to get additional bandwidth. These tokens are then rewarded to miners through the repurchase and destruction of tokens. So Meson allows its token holders to vote on development or modification of parameters of the protocol. Ticker symbol MSN, initial supply 100 million tokens. It's going to be on the Ethereum mainnet and Arbitrum. Miners have the option to choose either chain. There's initial airdrops. Tokens from the investors in public sale will be distributed on the Ethereum mainnet. How the token is distributed, we got 0.8% going to Jumpstart, 2.2% airdrop, 5% public sale, 6% partners, 15% technical team, 20% foundation reserves, 25% ecosystem, 26% investors. So, besides that, they also have a pretty lengthy roadmap where they start with delivering the Meson prototype, launch the testnet, then the second testnet. There is, let's see here, Gateway supports IPFS images, launch IP Cola, modify Gateway X to K8S, launch the Meson Explorer, which you can find at explorer.meson.network. Mainnet of the ERC20 based network, and then we got support the whole EVM compatible bridges. It just goes on and goes on. Very lengthy roadmap here until we get to the full, Meson blockchain. They have a Twitter in the corner of the screen at Network Meson. Go check it out. That's going to link you to the webpage. Keep you up to date there. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.